This is a demonstration of StreamUX touch events using the RS485, SPI, and I2c interfaces. All of these are bus-oriented master-slave type interfaces where the master needs to request information from the slave. So the way this works on StreamUX is you have several commands that request this information from StreamUX. By the way, I'm using the serial tester, which can be downloaded from our website. So the request status command is the first command I want to show you. When you send this command, it gives you status of the StreamUX with flags. So this byte right here shows that status. The lowest bit of that is rendering / idle indication. Since that is set, it's showing that the screen is idle and not rendering. And the bit number 1 position, which is set right now, shows that there is an event that has happened. And the way you get that event information is you use the second command called request event. And that information here shows what type of event happened and what handle used to generate that event. So now that I've read that event, it's been cleared out. So when I go back to request status, you can see that flag has been cleared. And if you call request event, then you'll get a 91, which is a NAC indication saying there's no events available. Right now I have no event, so I'm going to use this press and release button to generate an event. Notice you didn't get the command automatically, now you have to request it. So I'm going to just request the event, and you can see there was my touch press event with the handle of the button that was used for that. And when I request again, it's gone. All the touch events work the same way as they do with the UART interface. It's just now you have to request them using the request event command. The only event shown is the latest event. If you have multiple events that happen before you call the request event, it will clear out the initial event and you will only get the last event that happened. So if I press this button and request it, there it is. If I release it, there's the release. But if I press it and release it, I only get the release, which is the 9B. 99 is a press event. Sliders work the same way. I can request that event there's the event that a slider was pressed. You can tell that by the handle. And once the slider is released, you get the slider released event with the latest position of the slider. Keyboards also work the same way. There's that button.